Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! One shot to the mask. Pop that face out. Come on. Tries the one blowing. Oh shit. This one? Alright, go. Oh shit. Oh fuck me. Oh fuck me. Reload! Where'd you go? Oh, okay, never mind. I see ya! Hey, don't come too close. Reload! Huh? No? Oh, he's got to reload. Like carries like 10 bullets. Or the mag falls out. Yeah, we're all good. Holy crap, you're like right there. Woo! Right in the mask. Ah! What are you doing, JV? Can we take a little break? It's hot. I need to sit down, man. Freaking pass out or something. It's hot. Right dead in the mask.
That's it.
Dude, my shotgun didn't stand a chance on how fast he could blow them bullets out.
Hey, I stand a chance when I use shotgun against a machine gun. You fully auto still.
Well, still, I can still lay some BBs down the range. Freaking lost half my dang.
If you want to use that shotgun, you can. I mean, the one that I have, you can. But you can use that one to put on soon.
No, I mean, I lost like half of my dang BBs because as soon as I popped up like that, freaking.
All you had to do was reload, like, see what
No, the magazine fell out.
Oh, well, then put it in there. I mean, see if you run full. We run full. Here, if you don't drink this water, I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna go to Erica's house and get something to drink before she leaves. Unless she didn't leave. Oh, she's still there. Here. Oh.